everyone, very good evening all of you. Hope all of you are fine. So your last minute final revision will be with the new pattern PYQs and MCQ, from where definitely questions are coming. 100% sure short question we are going to do now. Okay, so it is marathon as per your requirement. How many students will be there as per your interest? I will be there with you, and we are going to do throughout your web syllabus whatever questions are important. All the questions we are going to do now. And please those who are here, like, share, subscribe, and call your friends that yes, class is started for computer science, so that they can join and we can start the class. First I will focus on the 100% confirm area and newly expected area. As you know, AI, computer graphics, these are the subjects, are little bit different subject, and from where students are getting confused. So that's why I will start from AI. After AI we will go to computer graphics, then networking, then operating system, DBMS, DS algo. All the questions one by one we will solve. But one request to everyone that yes, share to your friends, that tell them class is started. I can see here Sathya, Sirisha, Shiva Sangari. I hope I am audible, visible. What is the answer for this question? You can tell me that. Do the answer. I am waiting for your answer. Yeah, answers coming. Option C is the correct answer. Very good. Applied AI, strong AI, cognitive AI, and AI, weak AI. Option C is the correct answer, because this is commercial and human mind. But the answer. Next one is, this is a newly pattern question where unsupervised learning and supervised learning both are given. 3 and 4 option is not given. Don't think that the question is incomplete. Question is not at all incomplete. Question is complete only, but they will confuse the student for this type of question. This is question number 2. Question number 2, tell me what is the answer for this. Yeah, question number 2, answers are coming. Option 2 is the correct answer. Very good everyone. Unsupervised learning and supervised learning, actually you need to find out the category. What are coming under unsupervised, what are coming under supervised, that is you need to do. So regression, KNN, and the decision tree, this is coming under supervised. That's why they are supervised. These 3 are supervised. And clustering is coming under unsupervised. Very important, very much expected area, supervised and unsupervised learning. Now do this one. Here you need to match. Matching is the current pattern always. Question number 3, matching, assertion, reason, statement type question. Very much expected area. Good evening everyone. I can see here 50 learners are already live. Try to make it century, more than that, before exam. Share with your friends, tell them. Question number 3, ontological engineering, taxonomy, hierarchy, inheritance, and probability mode. Yes, very good everyone. Question number 3, option 4 is the correct answer. Very good. Here sometimes maybe you will be confused, because with the inheritance, because you will see that inheritance here organizing subclass relationship into category and subcategory. Now which one you should match? So without inheritance, if you focus on ontological engineering and probability mode, that will be more easy to find out, because probability is always focusing on attached with the number of possibility, that is D with 3. So here is D with 3, here is D with 3. This is not your answer, this is not your answer. Otherwise maybe with the hierarchy you will be confused. So focus on this ontological engineering and inheritance, then easily you can get the answer. But if you are focusing on the inheritance, then maybe you will be confused. Now question number 4, mini max alpha beta, very important topic. Sometimes they are asking numerical, and nowadays theoretical question is the pattern. So I can see here what will be the answer for this question number 4, mini max. Yes, option 3 is the correct answer for question number 4, because the effective alpha beta pruning here, why this is the answer? It is not the breadth first search, this is depth first search. So option A you can eliminate. After eliminating option A, now you can see B and C. The effective alpha beta pruning, this is also correct, this is also correct. Optimal imperfect information does not require reasoning, that is wrong. It's always required reasoning. That's why option D is also wrong. Option B and C is the correct answer. Question number 5, which of the following statements are true? This is also from different types of learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning. All the algorithms are very important, very important, all these algorithms. Yeah, so all are correct answer here, because from this question only you can write down the topic in your notebook. Classification and regression are the supervised learning technique, this is correct one. Clustering density unsupervised, always clustering used for unsupervised one. Supervised learning input and output map, that is also correct. Unsupervised discover the pattern of the input data. These all the statements are very important statements. Write it down in your notebook, because from here you can get any type of question. Okay, now tell me what is the answer for this. This is question number 6. Question number 6. Yes, answer came from here, I can see. Yes, question number 6, answers are coming. So here semi-dynamic environment, where semi-dynamic means what? With the time, the environment does not change, the passage of time, but the agent score is changing. What is the example? Example is the chess. Whenever you are playing chess, then in the chess board is same, but your player score is changing, environment is not changing. Now tell me question number 7. Question number 7. What is the answer for this? Here two statements are given, statement 2 and statement 1 and statement 2. Yes, option C is the correct answer. Very good everyone. Which one is incorrect? At the time of exam, obviously focus on these words: incorrect, false, not correct. These are the very much important word, and where students are getting confused, and they are means ignoring. If you are ignoring this word, then you will do the mistake. Always in our mind we are thinking it's true, maybe it can be false also, it can be incorrect also. So read question very very carefully, then answer. So here the perform reasoning script partially filled the created meat of the current situation. This is correct, this is false, incorrect, this is also false. And if event follow known trial, then the script to the, because script is the representation in knowledge based representation, script is one type of knowledge based representation. Okay, so here both are false, this is also false, this is also false. That's why statement 1 and statement 2 is both are wrong. Why this is wrong? Perform reasoning using script, the script with partially filled, it have to be fully filled. Partially filled is created to meet the current situation, it is not possible. If event follow the known trial, then we use the script to represent action involved and use them to the answer of the detailed question. So known trial also we cannot do here, it should be completely known, then only we can do it. That's why here both are incorrect. Now neural network is the next important area of AI. So this is question number 8. Neural network. I can see 71 learners are live. Try to make it century and more than century. Try to share. If you are sharing means you will care for me and you will care for others also. And click on like button. Your one like, your one share, your one subscribe is very very important for everyone. For me also, for you also, for throughout the India, all students. You can help them. So yes, neural network, all statements are true. Why I am asking this question? If you did not prepare at all, at least you can remember these statements regarding neural network. These all the statements are true, and remember it, because neural network is working as per the human brain. How the human brain is working, neural network is also working the same way, same pattern. Question number 9. Assertion reason, that is also from neural network. Assertion reason. Artificial neural network are the backbone of deep learning algorithm. Backpropagation is one of the technique used for training an ANN, that is artificial neural network. This is assertion and reason, do it very carefully. At the time of doing assertion and reason, always ask yourself why. Is it supporting the document? If it is supporting that, then only it is correct explanation, otherwise not the correct explanation. Artificial neural network are the backbone of the deep learning algorithm, that is true. Backpropagation is one of the technique of ANN, this is also true. But why this is the backbone of deep learning network? You are not getting that answer from this B. Means it is not the correct explanation. Always it is a common mistake. When you are thinking that both are true, you are doing okay, it is correct only. That is wrong. Ask yourself why. If it is supporting, then only it will be correct explanation, otherwise not. Now tell me again another question from neural network and genetic algorithm is most expected two area of artificial intelligence. Must cover it, must. Here it is question number 10. Question number 10. Yes, question number 10. Actually neural network is working input layer, after that hidden layer, then output layer. Algorithm is working in the hidden layer. So you have to start with input layer. Here this is started with information, that input layer not. It started with bias, it is also not. Here input layer is not given, but hidden layer is given. After input layer, then hidden layer, in the hidden layer algorithm, then output layer. Input layer is not present but sequence is correct. Here they provide input, output, then algorithm, not correct. Algorithm should be in between. This type of questions are very popular. Sequence, order, very popular type of question. Question number 11. Question number 11. Yes, option A is the correct answer. The correct feature describing the artificial neural network. These are all are true here. Essentially machine learning. This is also true. This is also true. This is also true. Very good, everyone. Now tell me what is this answer. Question number 12. Evolutionary process generate increasingly better solution to the process to the problem. Question number 12. Very good, answers are coming. Option C is the correct answer. That is genetic algorithm. Genetic algorithm evolution is going on because every generation is increasing and every generation is updating. Question number 13. Learning algorithm. Which one is coming under classification algorithm? These are mostly expected area from AI. Must cover this area. Yes, question number 13, option 3 is the correct answer because logistic regression is coming under classification and back propagation is also coming under classification. Linear regression and forward propagation is not. So here A and B is the correct answer. Must make your short note. Your short note is very important. This is also very important. Question number 14. Question number 14. Yes, here always remember that in single layer perception, what are the gates are working? That is AND gate and OR gate. XOR and XNOR will not work here. So that's why AND means NAND will also work, OR means NOR will also work. So AND, OR, NOR these are working, but XOR will not work and XNOR will not work because XOR and XNOR is not linearly separable. It's not linearly separable. Thank you everyone. Century हो गए. 100 learners are there. Thank you. Make it more. 100 learners are there now. Chalo, next question. Question number 15. Question number 15. Try to make it 200. Share it. Share it. Question number 15. Numericals. Here input layers are given for the weight and this constant is also given to you. And this inputs is also given. Numericals are very important from neural network. Yes, answers also came. 507 is the answer. What to do? Just you need to see the weights. The weights are given. The input neurons are also given. You need to multiply. But here the constant is also given, that is 3. So whenever you are adding these all values, after that multiplying with 3, you will get the answer 507. So that's why 507 is the correct answer. Now we will start computer graphics. 15 question I asked from artificial intelligence. These are the most expected area of AI. Now I am going to start computer graphics. Okay. Chalo, computer graphics. Ma'am, which subject to answer too fast? It's according to your whatever your. I am telling one thing. Here, full length mock test. Before going to computer graphics, I want to tell you one thing that must install Unify Study app. Go to our website and definitely come down in our website. This is the Google Play Store link, and I am giving the link in the chat box also. Everyone install this free of cost. You will get here today. You will get here after this class full length mock test in the free mock test. In this free mock test only you will get the full length mock test of paper 1 and paper 2. That is 150 question and in 3 hours. Just like your exam hall, paper 1 separately and computer science, how to switch, how to practice, that is very important in digital mode. Those who are going to attempt the TN set, your TN set exam is there in 7 June. Free of cost you can attempt it definitely. So today after this class I will provide that mock test. The mock test will be live and definitely attempt the mock test. This will definitely helpful to do your time management. Time management is a big factor because 180 minutes is there. You have to solve 150 question. Whenever you are solving this 150 question, then you have to apply the strategy also. You need to switch between paper 1 and paper 2. But one thing, some states are not providing this switch option. They are doing it, you have to solve paper 1, then you can go to paper 2. It's depending on the state government that what decision they are taking. But normally in UGC net the switch option was there. That is paper 1 to paper 2 you can switch. If the switch option is there, that there will be 2 tab, paper 1, paper 2 you can switch. Our mock test will be like that way only. According to your convenience, I will always suggest first 1.5 hours means first 90 minutes. Try to do all the easy question, quickly solvable question, collect your marks. From paper 1 also, paper 2 also. After that next 90 minutes and mark for review. Mark for review is the very important. Click on mark for review. This question I can solve if I am getting time. After that come back and select on the mark for review and after that solve it in the next 90 minutes. What will be happen? First 90 minutes you get the marks. You are confident enough. Yes, I solved so many questions. And you will see in the first 90 minutes definitely near about 90 to 100 question you will be able to solve. Because there are some easy question, quickly solvable question what you can solve in 30 seconds also. So if you solve the 100 question means already 200 marks near about means yes, you are sure that yes, near about so many question I did and I am confirmed now. Now go for the remaining question. This is the way if you are solving at least 100 question also not in 90 minutes. If you are solving 60 to 70 question also, then also 120, 140 marks is already safe. Now go for the difficult question. It is always good. And for that attempting mock test is very important. If you are not attempting mock test properly, then you will be not able to handle the time in exam hall. That's why install Unify Study just now, Unify Study app, and attempt mock test. Full length mock test, attempt it. I will provide you full length mock test, paper 1, paper 2 combined mock test. Install it and do it. Okay. Chalo. Now go for the next question. Here I was doing this. Yes, computer graphics. Do this one. Tomorrow also you can access. It will be there for you anytime. You can access. You can access anytime. This is question number 16. Computer graphics question. Very important area. marks needed, you should target more than 180. Target 180 so that you can qualify it. Yeah. Question number 16 answers are coming. I can see that here this question is very much conceptual and tricky question. Means tricky not, you need to understand it properly. It is, they can provide you as a matching, that 1 then 2 then 3, but they did not provide you as a matching. They ask the question in different way. That's why your mind will not work properly. Here what you have to do, first of all you need to write down 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, write it down. After that check it. Which one is matching with A? That one I will write in the option 1. It is perspective projection and orthographic projection. Two types of projections are given. Here also you can see orthographic projections. Here also neither orthographic. So orthographic means where 90-degree angle, and parallel and perspective. What is the difference between parallel perspective projection and the when you are doing the parallel projection, that is orthographic. It is one type of orthographic projection. First one you can see straight line are mapped to straight line. Where straight line is mapped to straight line, actually straight line is mapped to straight line in both. That is orthographic also, perspective also. That's why in option 3 it will be matched with A. Now you can see distance of the angle are preserved. Distance of the angle, where it is preserved. So first of all see that one. Far away object appear the same size of the closer one. In perspective it is not happening. Perspective is always when you are far then it will be smaller. When you are near then it will be bigger. So far away object will be same. That is only possible in orthographic. It's not possible in perspective. That's why option 2 is orthographic. So option 2 you can see with C. Now you can come to the option. Now no need to do. Option 2 and 3 you saw that C and A. So in between there will be C and A. This is CB, this is CD, this is DB. So your answer is C and A. Like this way you need to save your time. This type of question can kill your 5 minutes also. But don't do it. Always be peaceful mind. In peaceful mind try to see it and eliminate the option and do the answer. Got it? So that's why your answer is this one. Perspective projection, parallel projection, orthographic projection. Very important in computer graphics. Must do this area. Now question number 17, right? This is question number 17. Phong shading, Grot shading. These are the two shading technique. Most important, they are repetitively asking question from shading. Tell me what is this answer. Yeah, question number 17 answers are coming. Here actually what is given, that Grot shading require more computation than Phong shading. That is wrong. Phong shading required more computation than Grot shading. So by eliminating option A only you can do the answer. This is the quick way of solving. By eliminating this way only answer is done. Other than that, two things are correct. Grot shading linearly interpolates the color interior pixel. That is correct one. Phong shading interpolates with the normal vector. That is also correct one. You can write down these 2 points in your notebook also. Now curve, Bezier curve, cubic curve. This is also next important area of computer graphics, and maximum time they are asking question from here. So question number this is 18. Question number 18. The question IDs are different, that is exam question ID. Yes, answers are coming. Question number 18. Bezier curve are the curve interpolate all the control point. That is false. Because Bezier curve will be like this type of curve where it is going through starting and ending point. Other control points are just controlling the curve shape. It will not go through the control point. It is going through only starting and ending. In between it is just controlling the shape. That's why this one is false. The cubic curve has 4 control point. Always the number of control point and the name is -1. If the control point is 4, 4 minus 1, that is 3. That's why the name is cubic curve. Okay, so always it is n minus 1. So this is correct one. So answer is, this one is incorrect, but this one is true. Okay, yes. Now question number, this is question number 19. Little bit fan sound is coming because I am in my village. Here AC is not available and too much hot weather. So please adjust with the background sound. Some background sound is coming, right? Is it too much? Okay, so always it is n minus 1. Please adjust with that. I am in my home village. Yeah. Question number 19 here. In the context of 3D computer graphics, which of the following is true? Orthographic transformation keep parallel line parallel. An orthographic transformation is a affine transformation. So what is this? Here affine means, what is the meaning of affine? I am going from here, you can see that. So that in Euclidean geometry, the affine transformation means affinity. Affinity is what? This is preserving the line and parallelism. That is called affinity. So that's why this both are correct. Even also you can get this question as assertion reason also. So assertion is also then correct, as reason will be also correct, and it will be the correct explanation. Now question number 20. Question number 20. Tell me what is the answer. Here also perspective projection and parallel projection. Question number 20, answers are coming. Option P and option Q is the correct answer. Because why? Perspective projection is farthest, which when I am going far, then it will be smaller. That is correct. Parallel projection equivalent to perspective when it is far away, because then both are working same. This is also correct. Perspective projection do not preserve straight line. That is wrong. Perspective parallel both are preserving straight line. Both are preserving straight line. So that's why this is wrong one. Option R you can eliminate and you can do the answer. Question number 21. This is also again from the perspective and parallel. Highly expected area I am telling you. All the expected area only I have added here. Highly expected area. That's why I add these questions. Yes, option 1 is the correct answer. Under the perspective projection, do not stay parallel image. That is correct, because parallel image, parallel will be parallel in parallel projection. In perspective projection, parallel is not parallel. This one correct. Applying perspective projection in Z coordinate, dividing by Z coordinate, because this is 3D. This is also correct. Perspective projection is the linear. No, it's not linear. It's not linear. That's why it is wrong. Now see, it is a numerical question. From the graphics also you will get numerical question, and it is a highly conceptual and expected area. So do this one. Question number 21. Yes, answers are coming. Those who are able to do, they did it, but those who are not able to understand, for them I am telling you. Consider the triangle PQR with the coordinates. These are the coordinates given. If triangle is magnified, means the scaling is going on to the size with this one is the fixed. Actually, what is the problem? We are doing, whenever I am doing the scaling with the 0, 0, then it will be very easy. But here the fixed point is given, that is 10, 4. This is the fixed point given. When you are doing any type of transformation with a fixed point, what to do? First you have to come back to the 0, 0. In that 0, 0 position, because computer graphics cannot do without origin any type of transformation. So whatever fixed point is given, do minus and come to the, means do the operation so that you can come back to the origin. Come back to the origin means put the object into the origin, then do the transformation, then again do the negative one. That my object is in this position, I will shift the object to the 0, 0 position. I will do the scaling. After that I will revert back to this position. That work we have to do. So that's why this one we need to apply here. First positive matrix translation, then scaling, then negative matrix translation. This is the way you need to do here. You can see this is the thing. Here translation is going on, so that's why you will do the translation. If any other transformation is there, same concept you can apply. First do positive, then apply the scaling, means whatever transformation is there, then again negative translation. So this is the way you need to apply this. You can see the formula. Now just put it, what is the value of tx, ty and sx, xy. So in this area I am putting the tx, ty value. This is 0, 0, 1 sx, xy value. This is all the values you will put here. After that do the minus, apply the minus, and just this is time taking question. Some question will be there in time taking, definitely. Now after that do the matrix multiplication. First do the matrix multiplication between these two, like this one will be multiplied with this one, then this one will be multiplied with this one, then this one will be multiplied with this one. Apply the matrix multiplication. After doing this you will get an answer. Then do this one. Then again do the matrix multiplication. You will get this answer after doing matrix multiplication. So then you are getting this answer, that is this one. Then after that finally you need to multiply with the transformation matrix this PQR. PQR coordinate was given to you. Put the coordinate in this way. This is P value, this is Q value, and this is R value. Last one you have to put like this. Last line you will put like 0, 1, 1. Then with the PQR you will do the transformation matrix multiplication. After matrix multiplication you will get the answer. Time taking, some question will be there. Out of 150 question, maybe 100 question will be easy and 50 question will be time taking. It will be there, but your concept should be clear. Okay, okay. Now see that question number 23. Question number 23. So this one was hiding behind me, so you can see that. Those who want to do the calculation, you can see that. After that I am going to question number 23. These are the points are given, the view points are also given to you. So according to this, which one is correct here? This is also a conceptual area. How to do this type of question? For this type of question, just you need to see from where I am observing. So it is given like P1, P2 and P3 given, and from C point I am observing. So I will calculate CP1, CP2 and CP3. These all the values you will calculate. Between CP1 means you will do this one minus this one. Now I am getting this. CP2 also you will get this one. CP3 will get this one. Just do the minus and get the answer. After that you have to check which one is multiple. Those who are the multiple of another one, that one is the scalar value. Here you have to find out that we have to say the point is collinear if one vector is the scalar multiple of another vector. So how to find out the scalar vector? You can see that here these values, 3 values you got, right? So the CP2 is exactly multiple of CP1. If I am multiplying 3 with this, then I am getting this value. So means P1 obscure P2. Which one is multiple? What is multiple? Obscure means which one is the multiple of another one. That I have to check. This one is not the multiple. You can see here 2, 14 and 16 is not the multiple of anyone. Here these two are multiple. 1 multiply 3 you will get 3. 2 multiply 3 you will get 6. 10 multiply 3 you will get 30. Got it? That's why you are getting that, okay, this one is the multiple of this one. So P1 obscure P2. Got it? So that's why your answer is P3 does not and P1 obscure P2. So your answer is, that's why P1 obscure P2 if viewing from C, that is correct. P2 obscure P1, that is not P1 obscure P1 here. P3 does not obscure and P2 does not obscure. So option A, C and D is the correct one. Got it? Which one is the multiple you need to do? Here next question is 23. No. Which question we did here? 24. Question number 24. Question number 24. Yeah, answers are coming. Consider the rectangle with the vertices. These are the vertices given. Scaling of 2 x-axis and 3 to 2 y-axis. Just multiply x with 2 and y with 3. Simply multiply x with 2, y with 3, you will get the answer. This one will be 0, 0. This one will be 0 and 6. This one will be 6 and 0. And this one will be 6 and 6. That's why you are getting this answer 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 6 and 6, 6. Just it is easy because you are doing with the 0, 0. New coordinate, right? You are doing with 0, 0. That's why it is easy. Now do this one. Question number 25. Yeah, this one is also easy because here just you are doing 0.5. 0.5 means that is half, and 1.5 means what? 1.5 means 3 by 2, right? And when 0.5 this is less than 1 means your shape will decrease, size will decrease, and it is greater than 1 means size will increase. And this is your x and this is y. So in the x line, that is what? X axis is horizontal, y axis is vertical, right? So vertically this is increasing by 3 half, and horizontally it is decreasing, that is half of the horizontal. So answer will be B and D, right? Now see here the assertion reason from raster scan and random scan device. This is also a next important area. Question number 26. Yes, here your answers are coming. Assertion is given raster scan device is the CRT graphics device of the television. Reason raster scan device display the picture composed in the dot television works in the similar fashion. Here you get the answer of Y. Here you are getting the answer of the Y. That's why it is the correct explanation. That is the reason. You are getting proper reason. That's why this is the correct explanation. Got it? Yes, got it. Chalo, now do this one. Question number 27. 27. Count the questions, okay? Question number 27. Yeah, curve. Dash curve is the last and first point. Just now I told. Bezier curve is going through the last and first point. Other points are just controlling it. So that's why answer is Bezier curve. Right. Now do the networking question. Thank you so much for your from Punjab. एक डाउट है कि प्रैक्टिस के लिए गेट का क्वेश्चन कौन सा ईयर का क्वेश्चन करे, मीन्स ओल्डेस्ट और न्यूएस्ट. वो सारे क्वेश्चन ही पूछते हैं प्रैक्टिस के लिए. आपको मैं आई कैन सजेस्ट यू 2010 to 2023. if you are able to do that will be better. 2010 to 2023. if you are not able to do at least 2015, at least do from 2015 to 2023, then it will be okay. Yeah, answers came. So how to identify the unicast, broadcast and multicast? How to identify it? Actually this is the MAC address. How this is Ethernet, this format, it's 6 byte and 48 bit. When you are identifying, just in the first byte check the last number. First byte check the last number. If the last number is 0, then it is unicast. If the last number is 1, then it is multicast. Simple way you can identify. Actually what is given, that if it is a even number, no need to do binary also. If it is even number, because last bit is 0 means it is even. Last bit is 1 means this is odd. So if the number is even, then it is unicast. If the number is odd, then it is multicast. And if all digits are F, then that is broadcast. So like this type of, this is all F, that is a broadcast one. Here this is a odd number. Simply you can see it is a odd number. That's why definitely it will be multicast. And this is a even number, right? 10 is a even number. 7 is a odd number, 10 is the even number. and as it is a even number, that's why last digit will be 1 and it is the unicast. Okay, so here you can do that. Yes, this one will be your answer. Okay, which one is unicast broadcast, right? Yes, clear? I hope it is clear to everyone which one is the correct answer. Yeah, now do this one. Hamming code, 7-bit parity. You have to do the 4-bit Hamming code here. So what will be the answer? C. What you will do with the stress? See that whatever you learn, now you can't change anything. What you can do, you can think positive, and with this positive vibration and with the stressless mind, if you are going for exam, then at least whatever you learn and whatever you do, then those questions will be correct. But if you are taking stress, whatever you know, whatever you learn, that is also you will do mistake. So there is no meaning to take the stress. Unnecessarily don't take the stress, because by taking stress ultimately you will waste your time, you will waste your energy, you will waste your positivity. There is no meaning. What is in your hand, that is you can do. What is not in your hand, whatever time you have lost, now you cannot get back that time. Now only you have this time. In this time only be positive and positively think it as much as possible. Try to focus on your study. We have lots of power. Always believe yourself and try to complete all the question as much as possible. With a positive mind, go for the exam, that yes, whatever will be, I will do my 100%. Unnecessarily taking stress is not good at all. It's not good at all. If you are taking unnecessary stress, means unnecessarily you are giving stress to yourself. Okay, yeah. So here this question is actually Hamming code question. Hamming code, how you need to do, right? Here Hamming code, whenever we are doing, actually we are starting from this area, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6 and 7. Why the 7-bit is required? Because 4-bit is your number, and with the 4, 3 will be the redundant bit, and redundant bit position is always in the 2 to the power n position. That is 2 to the power 0 means 1, so it is redundant bit 0. 2 to the power 2 is 2, that is redundant bit 1, and 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 2 is 4, that is redundant bit 2. So in this way, if I am putting this value, here remaining bits I can put like 1, 1, 0 and 1. These are the 7 bits. 7 though will be not there. I have to take till 6. 7 will be not there. But in this direction if I put, then your answer will not match. Because anyhow you can see here you are getting 1, and here this will be 1, 0 and this will be 1. Any of the option you are not able to see like this, because last 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am doing some mistake. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am doing some mistake. 2 to the power, it is starting with 1. 2 to the power 0. It is starting with 1. That's why I am doing mistake. Here it will be start with 1. Numbering I did the mistake. Numbering will be not from 0, numbering will be from 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1 and this is 2 to the power 2. That's why this is redundant bit 0, redundant bit 1, redundant bit 2, redundant bit 0 you can say, redundant bit 1 and redundant bit 2. Right? Here these are the data bit. Now if I put the data, that is 1101. Here if I am putting this data 1101, you see here you can see 1101, right? If I put the data, then this data is coming, this one only 001, 001, 001. That's why you need to put it in opposite direction. If I am putting in opposite direction, then only it will match, otherwise it is not matching. That will be the problem. If I am putting in correct direction, then it will match, otherwise in opposite direction if I am putting, then it will not match. Okay, in 010 this is only coming, here you can see 010 is this one only 010, this one also 010. Now what will be my answer? Here whenever you are doing to R0 means which one will be the answer? R0 means you need to see that how I am getting when I am doing the 3-digit number, like Hamming code discussion. For that as I am taking here 012. Okay, here I am taking a page, that will be better. Yes, so 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now you have to think, this is your R0, this is your R1, this is your R2. So R0 means what are the combination? This is 1, 3, 5 and 7. So 1, 3, 5, 7 will give you R0. R1, that is redundant bit 1. Redundant bit 1 is giving you 2, 3 and 6, 7. That's why this one will be 2, 3, 6, 7. Redundant bit 2 is giving you 4, 5, 6, 7. That's why you have to go for 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the way you need to put it. Okay, that is you can remember, but you need to understand also, because now 3-bit is there. They can ask you 4-bit also, they can ask you 5-bit also, then you will be not able to answer. So from 1, 3, 5, 7 you will put the answer. From 2, 3, 6, 7 you will put the answer. Now see, in this question, if I am putting the number, what I am putting here, that 1, 3, 5, 7 R0 is in 0 position. This answer will not match. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it is starting with 0 or 1. It is starting with 1. Right? Here somewhere I am doing mistake. Lekka. Someone tell me we are starting with 0 or 1. We will start with 1, right? Somewhere I am doing mistake. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Now this is my redundant bit 0. This is my redundant bit 1. This is my redundant bit 2. And these are the data bit. These are only the data bit. Right? Yeah. Now you can see how I will get the redundant bit 0. If I put the number, this is 1, 0, 1 and 1. So my combination is 1, 3, 5, 7. So I will take 1, 3, 5 and 7. This should be even parity. It is working with even parity. Now see, in this position how many ones are there. You have to check how many ones are there. This is 1, this is 1 and this is 1. 3 ones are there, right? Is it even? It is not even. It is a odd one. So that's why this bit will be 1. Because I need to make it even. I need to make it even. That's why I have to put R0 1. R1 is 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7 is what? I will go for this 2, 3, 6 and 7. See here, this is 1, this is the 0 and this is 1. So it is already even number. As this is even number, that's why this position will be 0. That's why this position will be 0, because it is already even number. 2 even numbers are given, right? That's why it is 0. Now last position is 4, 5, 6, 7 for R2. That is this one, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So if I am coming to 4, 5, 6, 7, what is happening? For 4, 5 and 6, 7, how many ones are there? You can see in this position 4, R2 to I know, don't know. 5, this is 1, 6 also 1, this is 1, even. It is even number, that's why it will be 0. So ultimate answer is coming 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the answer. Which option is coming? 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, then 1, 0, 1. Yes, is it coming? No. This one is coming 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is coming. So that's why option A is the correct answer. Got it? Clear? This is the way you need to do Hamming code. Hamming code is a very important area. So always, sometimes you need to start with this direction, sometimes you need to start with this direction. Which direction it is starting, it is depending on the question. But maximum time we should start from 0 here. 0, 1, 2, 3, from 1, 2, 3, 4. Maximum time we should start from here. But this question you have to start from this direction. Okay? Got it? I hope it is clear to everyone. Must practice Hamming code, very very important. Now do this one. Now do this one. This is question number what? Which question number it is? I forgot question number. Acha. Physical layer, yes, these are coming answers. So physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer. So raw bit from the frame is the main focus here. So what is the answer here? That is data link layer, right? Here when I am doing the raw bit is this one, that is physical layer. So answer is this one, very very important. Now do this.
Check if your honey is pure or impure.
No, এখন দেখতে হবে না, আমি ক্লাস টাইম এগুলো করো না, এখন মধু নষ্ট হবে। Do this one. This question repeated 2 times in UGC NET, so you can expect that it can be repeated again. 2 times they repeat this question. Yeah, answers coming. So how to do it? Consider the 2 hosts P and Q that connected through the router R. The maximum number of MTU value link between P and R, that is 1500 byte, and between R and Q, that is 820 byte, right? And TCP segment size is given 1400 byte. From P to Q, identification number is this, it is given. Size of the header is 20 byte, that information is given to you. Now from this information you need to see, don't fragment, bit is off here, not set, means you can divide the packet. Now you can divide the packet, okay? So here how I can divide the packet and what can be done. This is, you can see that TCP segment size is 1400. Packet size will be segment size plus IPv header size. MTU will be 80 plus 20, 220, because 20 is the header. So from here if I am getting 800, so remaining will be 600. So one size will be, one segment size will be 800, another segment size will be 600. So first fragment will be 20 plus 800, that is 820. Second segment will be 20 plus 600, that is 620. So that's why here in your option two segments are created, that is correct one, 620. And the second segment, here the second segment lost, then fragment IP number, no, because the total IP number will be added with the total data. With the first segment or segment you can't do. The second segment is lost, P required to resend the entire TCP, because in the transport layer the segment lost, but the network layer don't know. That's why network layer will send the total segment only. Network layer will be not able to identify which part I have to send. That's why it have to send the resend again. That's why this is the correct one. TCP destination port determined by second fragment only, no, the total packet will have the IP address. So from the second segment only it will be not able to possible to detect. That's why it is also wrong. So A and C is the correct answer. Now see what is this answer, what will be this one. In networking, these numericals and conceptual questions are very, very important. I am trying to do it is according to your ইচ্ছে কি করছি গরমের মধ্যে মধু খাস না কিন্তু Yes, here answer will be 4 megabyte per second. Why? Because consider the popular sports news site. At the given moment it is given 20,000 concurrent users submit the request. Every 2 minutes on average, each transaction required web app to download on 3K byte length. Then what will be throughput? Throughput means what is the total work done per second, that is throughput. So you can see in 2 minutes it is able to transfer 20,000. So in 1 minute it will be 20,000 by 2, that is 10,000. So in 1 minute it is 10,000, means here I will apply 10,000 total. So I have to convert it in bit, right? So whenever I am converting in bit, that is it is given concurrent. So I will apply with 3 multiply into 2 to the power 10 multiply into 8 divide by 60. That will be the answer. So from here I will get that 4 megabit per second. So answer will be 4 megabit per second. Now tell me what is the answer for this one. Achha, it is question number 33, is it? Pratibha, you are counting correctly. Is it question number 33? Okay, question number 33. Those who will complete the class, let me know what is your score. At the end of the class, definitely comment that yes, what is your score. देखिए देखिए केमन করে টেস্ট করব মন মিঠি আর দাদানকে দেখতে yes. So here option 2 is the correct answer. This is also a very important question. 2 times they repeat this question in UGC net. CDMA, GSM, UNTS, Wi-Fi. So from the Wi-Fi only you can do the answer. Because here its channel connection, faster data transfer, allow the connect network device over the wireless channel. Wireless channel is Wi-Fi. D will be with 2. So here you can answer this D with 2. Answer is this one. Now do this. Question number 34. Question number 34. Yes, answer came. I can see that here subnetting is the most important topic of networking. Always remember. So an organization guaranteed to block this. Administrator wants to create 1024 subnet. The first and last address of the first subnet. You have to calculate. So what I have to do? See that I am creating 1024 subnet. So for creating 1024 subnet I need to borrow how many bits? 2 to the power 10 bits I need to borrow for the subnet. After that remaining how many numbers are there? From the 16 bit if I am borrowing already the 10 bit, because total is 32. Out of this 32 already 16 is allocated. Now remaining is host. From the remaining host I need to borrow more 10 bit. So from here to already 16 is allocated. From the remaining 16 I am taking more 10. So remaining 6 will be there. Remaining 6. In the remaining 6 only I have to do all the changes. So that's why 130.56.0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These bits I cannot do anything, because this is the net ID part and this is your subnet ID part. Here you can't do any changes. Now remaining 6 bits are there. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this remaining 6 bit only you can do the host, and you are creating here the first host. So the first host here, first host first number will be this one only. What is this number? This is 130.56 when this is 0 and this total is 0 here. That's why it is 0. Last host will be what? That is 130.56. This 0 will be as it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one I can't do any changes. Remaining host I can do changes. That is all the host I can make it 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your last. This is your first one and this is your last one. So in the last one, what is this? That is 63. That's why this is starting is this 0 and this is 63. That is the way you need to do. Find the first and last address. This is the last address and this is the for the first and last for the first subnet. This is you for the first subnet. This is your first subnet. Here in the first subnet. Here for the first subnet I am not changing anything. That's why it will be your answer. Now tell me what is the answer for the last subnet? What will be the answer for the last subnet then? Question number 35. Yes, answer came. So last subnet will be this one. Why? Because in the last subnet bit, that 10-bit subnet will be also 1. So 130 and 56 I can't do any change because this is the net part. Subnet part was 10-bit, that 10-bit will be 1 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 10-bit will be 1 now because this subnet is the last subnet now. That's why all are 1. Then the first host, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your last subnet first host. That's why this number is 130, 0.56, 0.255, 0.192. And the last host will be 130, 0.56. And this one will be same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I can't do any change. And the last host is, all the host bit is also now 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the host bit is also now 1. That's why this is 255, 255. So answer is this one. Very important. From this area UGC net already 10 marks question came. I asked here only 2 questions. Can you tell me what will be the mask for this one? Can you tell me in the chat box what is the mask? And those who will watch the recording, write down in the comment section what is the mask for this one. Mask. What will be the mask? Who can tell me quickly? I want quick answer. I will call your name. Who will give the first answer? I will call your name. What is the mask? Share with your friends. Time to time it's decreasing. Okay, Daipayan given 130, 56, 255, 192. Okay, let me check here. What will be the mask? Mask means always all net and subnet bit 1, that is called mask. So that's why all net bit and subnet bit will be 1, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also 1 because these are the net bit. After that subnet 10 bit will be also 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is your subnet bit. And the host bit will be 0. Host bit will be 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Host bit is 0. And host bit 0. This is your subnet mask. So it is 255, 0.255, 0.255. And what is this number? 111000. That is 192. That's why this subnet will be 255, 255, 255.192. Yes. Very good, Daipayan. Now tell me what is the answer for this one. Call your friends, tell them to join the session. Whenever learners are there, then I will be able to continue. When learners are not there, I will end the class. Call your friends, share with your friends. Make the Unified Study family a big family. It's up to you. You can make this family big. Yes. Here answer is coming that those who was telling 255, 255, 0, they are wrong. Yeah. The arrangement of the OA OSI layer means they give here the statement what are the work, according to that you need to do. So first one is the physical layer, right? Where is the physical layer? Here the raw bits transmission. This is your physical layer. That's why B. After that, data link layer. Which one? Frame. Frame is the data link layer. That's why this is the B1. After that, physical layer, data link layer. Then the next one is network layer. So this is the network layer where subnet is working. This is network layer. That's why D. After network layer, then transport layer, transmission connection oriented and the connection less. That is the transport layer, right? So that's why E. After transport layer, last one is session layer, user interface, application layer. Actually in between session layer is also there, right? But here user interface, that is the application layer. So that's why it is C. So your answer is B, A, D, E, C. Clear? Now tell me what is the answer for this. CRC is also most important area of networking. These are the highly expected area I am asking you. Don't miss this topic. Highly expected. Question number what? I forgot the again question number. I am not telling you question number. Tell me what is the answer. Very simple question. Actually it is a very simple question. They provide everything. Actually they should not provide the remainder. Actual way is that you need to divide it. 1, 1, 1, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 you need to divide. Then after that here these bits you need to make zeros, 4 bit. After that you have to do division. Then you have to put the number 1, 0, 1, 0. Then you have to do here the XOR operation. After doing you will get here 1, 1, 0 remainder. But in the question 1, 1, 0 remainder is already given. Luckily in the question remainder is already given. But in the most of the question remainder will be not given. You should understand the CRC process. CRC means you need to do it and you have to do XOR operation. After that again you have to take it and you have to complete the process. Then you will get the remainder. And you need to add the remainder with the value. That is only the process. So here the remainder is 1, 1, 0. So here you have to add 3 bit. So with this one I will add the remainder. That is only. So here this one and with this one I am adding the remainder. This is the answer. Question is easy. No need to do this process. But definitely learn CRC because they will give you question without remainder. Then you have to do. Okay. Now next one is the RSA algorithm. Most popular algorithm. It is also most expected. Must complete the RSA algorithm. Although here they ask the sequence, but the numerical from the RSA algorithm is also highly expected. CRC, RSA, all these questions we did in 45 days free course playlist. It is there. Watch the playlist so that you can confirm this area. Yes, option 3 is the correct answer because the sequence is what? First you need to choose the largest value of P and Q. Then you have to do N, that is N equals to multiply P plus Q. With that you need to do here phi N equal also. Phi N equals to P minus 1 multiply Q minus 1. But it is not given. So whatever given according to that this is the sequence. And after that you need to do here D multiply E equals to 1 mod phi N. This is the way you need to multiply it. But here according to the sequence this is the answer. But definitely learn RSA algorithm and practice RSA algorithm question also. Very very important. अच्छा, now do this one. ঠিক আছে, আমি ওখানে বস, ওখানে বস। Yeah, answers are coming. This is also a highly expected area. DES, AES, 3DES and RSA. Okay, highly expected area. So here you can see this will be the answer. Must remember it. Very, very important. This is very, very important. What are the key size? ठीक है? Okay, chalo. So I can see that my daughter is also asking me to end it. Thank you. She is also asking to end it because she have to do the dinner. So we can continue tomorrow because your exam is on 7th. Till 7th I will continue this, and not only till 7th, till your exam 18th June. Till your exam 18th June we will practice the session. So definitely all of you, please definitely download the app. Go to the app. Here, this is your app. Install the Unify Study app, and free mock test, definitely attempt the free mock test. This free mock test will be definitely helpful to you. And those who wants to join the paid course, till now time is there, you can join that paid mock test, paid course. That is our combo course. In the combo course, if you are applying the Super 20, you will get 799 rupees only. You can avail this complete course for 1 month. 1 month is also not there. 18 days is there. 18 also not. 15 days is there. But this 15 days also will be valuable for you, because these days you can do practice with the live poll, where I am taking class 5:30 am, 6:30 pm. Tulasi ma'am is taking class 8 pm. So 3 classes dedicatedly you will get here, where more practice, more expected MCQ practice we are doing there. With that, so many mock tests, unit wise mock test, full length mock test, definitely you will get. All the subject wise complete notes, complete material, complete classes, all are available here. Wherever you are getting problem, you can go to the respective folder, you can watch the classes. So in this 15 days, if you need the structured material, wherever you are lagging, where you need the help, definitely you can come to this course. With 799 rupees only, in this 15 days you can utilize this course. Super 20 offer is very limited period. Those who are eager, those who want to join, you can join here, because everything is available here. Paper 1, paper 2, complete course. It is started in month of December. We are going to end in 15 June. So till now, whatever we have completed, all the recording is available, PDF is available. Now also practice session going on live. Those live classes you can join, and you can avail all the mock test. Everything with 799 you can avail for 15 days also. That will be good for you. Validity is 1 month, but for this 15 days also you can utilize it, so that it will boost up your preparation and you can get a good result also. So definitely you can invest your money here. 799 rupees only you can pay, and you can join it. Okay, tomorrow also my class is there at 5:30 am, where we are doing so many expected MCQ practice, so you can avail it. Bye everyone, see you again tomorrow here in the live class. Bye.